Hey everyone, now I will show you how you can animate shapes in Premiere Pro. So first you want to just go to your Premiere Pro and you want to click on this tool right here, which is the rectangle tool, and I want to just circle around this elephant that I have as an object. Alright, now you want to just go to your properties right here. You want to scroll down to appearance and you want to check the stroke right here and you want to uncheck the fill. And you want to adjust your stroke width to your desire, and I'm just gonna choose around 40. And what I'm gonna do now is actually I'm just gonna go to the effects right here and I want to search for clock wipe, which is right here, and I'm just gonna drag this all the way to the timeline at the start of my shape right here, and I'm just gonna quickly readjust, and if I hit play it'll have that little animation going on. And if you want the animation to be a lot longer, you can just go here and drag it to whatever you want. And for example, we're just gonna play and it's now longer. Alright, there you go. If you guys have any questions, you can just leave them in the comments below and I'll try to answer all of it. Be sure to subscribe and thanks for watching.